Hello everyone, this is Snowin Joneslin. My topic is about universe. What is universe? The universe is a collection of all planets, stars, galaxies, gases, dust clouds, light, etc. It is considered as an endless space. We are living in this universe. Universe as a building block. The basic components of universe is galaxies, which is a collection of billions of stars. The universe contains Earth, planets, stars, galaxies, energy, and even time. Scientists believe that the universe began with the start of a massive explosion called Big Bang. Age of the universe. Big Bang theory said that all the matter in the universe was concentrated in a single point of hot, dense matter. About 13.7 billion years ago, an explosion occurred and all the matter were ejected in all directions in the form of galaxies. Most of the matter in universe made up of hydrogen and helium, which was created during Big Bang. Oxygen, carbon, calcium and iron are formed in the cores of stars. When the stars explode, these fundamental building blocks are spread throughout the universe. Galaxies. After the Big Bang, clouds of gases club together under gravity to form galaxies. Galaxy is a collection of gases, dust and billions of stars and the solar system. So far, scientists observe 100 billions of galaxies. Galaxies are also in different shapes depending on their appearance. Galaxies are classified as spiral, elliptical or irregular. These are the types: elliptical, spiral and irregular in shapes. Next, solar system. Our solar system is in the Milky Way galaxy, and the Milky Way galaxy is spiral in shape. Andromeda is our neighboring galaxy. It is made up of 100 billion stars and its diameter is 1 lakh light years. Our solar system is 25,000 light years away from the center of our galaxy. Stars. Stars produce heat, light, UV rays, X-rays and other form of radiation. Stars are made up of hydrogen gases. Hydrogen atoms fuse together to form a helium atoms. During this process, huge amount of heat produced. Each galaxy have more than 100 billion stars in it. The stars have different colors depending on their temperature. Hot stars are white or blue in color. Cooler stars are orange or red in color. The brightness of star depends on their intensity and the distance from the star. A group of stars forms an imaginary shapes or meaningful pattern in the space is called constellation. There are 88 formally accepted constellations. Aries, Gemini, Scorpion are well-known constellations. Solar system. Sun and the celestial bodies which revolves around it form a solar system. It consists of planets, comets, asteroids and meteors. The gravitational force of attraction between the sun and these objects keep them revolving around it. Sun. The sun is a star, a fiery ball of hot gases. Hydrogen atoms combine or fuse together to form helium is called nuclear fusion. During this nuclear fusion, a large amount of energy releases as light and heat. So the sun shines and provides heat for us. Age of the sun is believed to be more than 4.6 billion years old. Formation of the sun. Some of the hydrogen has left after Big Bang floating in our galaxy. Later this free floating hydrogen gas concentrated and formed the sun and solar system. Gradually the sun and the solar system turned into a slowly spinning molecular cloud composed of hydrogen, helium and dust. A planet revolves around the sun and along a definite curved path is called orbit. It is in elliptical. The time taken to complete one revolution by a planet is called the period of revolution. A planet also rotates on its own axis like a top. The time taken to complete one rotation by a planet is called period of rotation. The Earth takes 23 hours and 56 minutes to rotate on its own axis. The planets are spaced unevenly. Inner planets. The first 4 planets are called inner planets, which are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. They have solid rock surface and these 4 planets have no rings. The outer 4 planets, which are large in size, the planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. They are made up of hydrogen, helium and other gases and it has very dense atmosphere. And the rings are tiny pieces of rocks covered with ice. These 4 planets have rings. Other bodies of the solar system. Besides the 8 planets, there are some other bodies which revolve around the Sun. Asteroids. The gap between the Mars and Jupiter orbits are occupied by 500,000 pieces of rocks. These are called asteroids. It can be seen only through large telescope. Then comets. Comets are lumps of dust and ice that revolves around the Sun. When it approaching the Sun, it vaporizes and forms a head and tail. Yeah, these are the pictures of asteroids and a comet. Then meteoroids and meteorites. Meteors are small pieces of rock scattered throughout the solar system. It comes closer to the Earth's atmosphere with a high speed. Most of them are burned up by the heat generated due to friction in Earth's atmosphere. They are called meteors. Some of the bigger meteors may not be burned and they reach Earth's surface. They are called meteorites. This is the picture which shows what is meteoroid, what is meteorite, meteors, asteroids and comet. Then satellites. A body moving in an orbit around a planet is called satellite. It is not the human-made satellite. They are called natural satellites or moons. Satellite of the Earth is called moon because it reflects the light of the sun. Satellites move around the planet due to gravity. In our solar system, all the planets have moons except Mercury and Venus. Yeah, I will summarize it. Today we have seen about our universe. The basic constituent of universe is galaxies, which are the collection of billions of stars. Scientists think that the universe is made after a massive explosion called Big Bang. Depending on their appearances, galaxies are classified as spiral, elliptical or irregular. Our Sun and all the planets in the solar system are in the Milky Way galaxy. The Sun and the celestial bodies which revolve around it form the solar system. Millions of rocks of pieces that were left over when the planets were formed and now revolve around the Sun are called asteroids. A body moving in orbit around a planet is called a satellite. Thank you.